Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing 2 or more slides that represent distinct states of the same content. First, duplicate the base slide, and then move, resize, or recolor objects on the duplicate to create the end state. Make sure to name and group complex objects so PowerPoint can match them. Once done, arrange slide order logically. You want the start slide immediately followed by its target slide. This setup ensures Morph can detect object continuity and produce a smooth animation without manual keyframes. Next, focus on precise matching so Morph moves elements naturally. You should give identical names to objects that represent the same element across slides. PowerPoint uses names to align shapes. Group and ungroup items to control how components animate together, and convert images to shapes if you need vector-like behavior. Then apply the Morph transition and tweak the duration and smoothness in the transitions pane. If motion looks off, slightly adjust positions on intermediate slides to guide the path. Finally, polish timing and export. You should preview the sequence in full screen to catch jumpy motion, then adjust transition duration for pacing. Shorter is snappier, longer is cinematic. If you need to share, export the presentation as an MP4 and choose 30 to 60 frames per second for smooth animation. If Morph fails to match an element, stop and verify object names, grouping, and layer order, because inconsistent naming or hidden objects is the most common cause of trouble.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.